Old Zogwart is a weird boy who owns the stars as a freebooter. Born during the total eclipse of the sun of Kati-chan, this git was born fighting the moment he left his cocoon, having matured within a nest of blood vipers. Already infected with loads of snake bites as an infant, clawing his way from the ground. In each hand, he held a blood viper, having gored him with his teeth, even as venom coursed through his veins. Favoured by Gork and Mork for all his tribe to see, ever since, no serpent dares attack him and instead wriggles across his body, sleeping in his furs when night falls, allowing him to coat his weapons with poison. His fangs now able to spill toxins as a result of his birth. This champion of Mork rose within a single year to among the most respected knobs of his clan, but even then didn't show off how garg he was with magic. Manifesting weird boy talents such as shooting lightning from his eyes and stuff. Even though the snakebite elders put massive orcs to mind him, many started to turn into squigs overnight, calling it Old Zogwart's curse. Setting on Yumis of Kati-chan's militia, Zogwart let out the great green within him, blasting energies what disintegrated any git who was stupid enough to not move out the way, leaving nothing but squigs covered in Umi clothing. Burning out his own eyes by accident as his weird blew up an entire Umi company in a single blast. As he began to mature, he became more famous than even his war boss, leaving Kati-chan behind, taking his squigs with him. Seeking out bigger wars so he can try out ever more garg weird stuff. This freebooter lets his temporary war bosses steal all the glory, lording over gits who are turned into squigs, so long as he gains more power over the Great Green.